In this video, I will be explaining numbers 12, 13, and 15 of the lesson 1-2 practice. For number 12, it says name 3 pairs of supplementary angles. First, you need to know what supplementary angles are. Okay, supplementary means they add up to 180 degrees. So anytime you have a line where you have 2 angles on one side of that line or 2 angles that form that line, that would be supplementary angles. So if I ignore the bottom half of this diagram, I have a straight line, okay? JM is a straight line here. So the 2 angles that form that line could be JKL and LKM, okay? That would be this obtuse angle and this acute angle. So that's one pair of supplementary angles. I could also look at this line, line PL. So the 2 angles that form that line would be angle PKJ and angle JKL. Okay, see if you can figure out the third pair. There are a couple different options for this. Okay, you could look at this line still, but you could come over here. Okay, there's 3 angles there. You can make one big angle, LKN, and then use the other angle, NKP, to form the second pair of that supplementary angle. Okay, there are several different answers for this. If you need one checked, let me know. Number 13, name 2 angles that appear to be obtuse. Okay, obtuse means greater than 90 degrees. If you're thinking about 90-degree angles, that's a right angle. Okay, for instance, the corner of a page where the horizontal and vertical lines or edges meet. That's a perfect 90-degree angle. If it's larger than that, open wider, that's obtuse. So for instance, JKL. Angle JKL here appears to be obtuse. Okay, all of these individual angles here appear to be acute, but it says name 2 angles that appear to be obtuse, so our second one could be something like NKL. Okay, you don't have to only look at the individual pieces. I could also say angle JKN. That appears to be obtuse as well. Okay, so don't be limited by the individual angle sections that are here. And then the last question I had was for number 15. It says, is it possible for a pair of non-adjacent angles to share vertex A and arm ray AB? If it is possible, draw an example. If it is not possible, explain your answer. Okay, this is possible. Most people think that if it's sharing ray AB, then that needs to be in the middle of them, which would be true if they were adjacent. Adjacent means touching, but this says non-adjacent. So they are not touching where they have the common ray in between them. Okay, an example of how to draw this is here. Okay, yes, it is possible. Here's your sample answer. This would be the ray that they share, ray AB, and they have a vertex at A. Okay, we're talking about angles BAC and angle BAD. Okay, use this time also to pause this and you can check your answers for numbers 11 and 14 if you needed that. Let me know if you guys have any other questions. Thanks.